and also I'm top rater plus freelancer in Upwork. And there are the projects like I do is like mostly on React and Node.js plus Laravel. And recently, like we have added few AI things also into our system, and you can see my all my projects, like what are the projects, and also my company profile. You can see it's a GR Infotech, and in this company also, like we have few persons who was top rated always, like Ashok Kumar is always top rated, Janesh, Mary B, and other persons are top rated in this one. And I can go through few projects, like what are the projects recently we have done in past 2 to 3 years. Like have been into completely on EMR and EHR. EHR, as everyone knows, it's electronic health records maintenance, and EMR platform. We have been quite working extensively on the EMR and EHR platforms quite a bit, and also like integrating the patient records, medical system, allergies, patient records, medical records, everything into Kerio, which is another third-party libraries, and we are integrating into Kerio, as well as like we have few things like this one. It's like RX Studio, like New Corp, like where we can integrate clinical billing and send autonomously all the informations. Like you can go through these things, and you can just message me to get back for each and everything. What are the things we have done? I just want to make it's very cut short, so that like you know that we are working on completely on electronic records, electronic EMR and EHR records mainly. Those two things are our key area in last 2 years, with all the staffs working on the even appointment setting and all the information they were doing. And other projects like we have done is like sheet based. It's like completely large records. Like for that we use NLP with AI. So persons typed in English, and we converted into SQL query language and query the data and send it back to them. That's one of the automated process we have done recently with Python and NLP. This one, and other one is like this IoT device monitoring, like with air quality index and other things. Like we are monitoring for factory flow and other things, and with lot of few mood and lot of other conditions also critically, like critical alerts and other things like managing. I just want to cut short small things so that it can you can view the different things. And for that, like we are currently using a AI server with AI monitoring, and most of the things like you can see all the subdomains like AQMS, WMS, payments gateway, new roads, AI idea labs. A lot of small projects, like each project sits on different thing. We have been virtual private server. These are the demo sites where we have the live sites directly on the client place. And you can see this one of the Grand Co payments gateway, where we are similarly doing something like Stripe, where customers can integrate directly with the JavaScript and other things into their system for the e-commerce thing. And we are working with Converge and Avalon for the same. And we are working at and other two products, like core products we are managing is the Pub Scholar, with all the details, like the pub scholars, like it's doing complete HTML automated process, everything. It's a workflow management system. And idocs I don't have to tell more on that. Idocs, it's something similar to the Google Drive, but where you can do all automated searches using AI. It does all the AI transformation, and based on the search and retrieval, it's the core process on this one in the idocs. And if you want to know more about this any of the products like EMR, idocs, anything, you can just ping me on Upwork, and I'll be happy to help you on coming back to Upwork and do the projects. And you can see all the projects, also recent projects, what we have done in Upwork, all the things like EMR, EHR records. Like you can see most of the things are EMR, EHR, and chatting. And you can contact me on Upwork, and we'll be able to happily help you on these projects, something similar. And mostly it's on React and Node.js and PHP Laravel frameworks. Thank you.